Okay, so in part one of the experiment, what we're going to do is we're going to put in 5 milliliters into this container and we're going to weigh it in this right here, which is called an analytical scale. Now, the reason why we're trying it with this one is it's an analytical scale. It is very, very accurate. It goes to multiple significant figures. So it is so accurate that the air would actually move the scale and it would actually change the mass. So we have to zero it, we have to close the doors, we have to make sure that everything's okay. So there are doors that are inside of here that open up and that close on this container. And so what happens is once I put the container in, I'm able to measure it without the air affecting it. So uh, we're gonna just measure the first container. So I'm gonna zero it, close the door. Okay, and now it's zeroed, so I'm gonna open it up. Right, put it on. And so the mass of my first container is 3.2161 grams. Remember, you only have to get the measurements for one of these, not all of them. Okay. All right. Let's try the next one. Oh wait, I didn't zero it, so I've got to do it again. So that is the tedious thing about this one. Since it's so accurate, it takes a long time to zero out. All right, so then you open the door, you put it in, and you close it. All right, so the mass of this one is going to be 3.2488 grams. And notice that the masses are not the same. Manufacturer can't exactly make the same thing. Zero it. And the last one. I'm going to pour it in. And then I'm going to weigh it. So this one is smaller, 3.1726 grams. All right, so I have the mass of all three of them now. Okay, I'm going to pause the video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 5 milliliters of each of these liquids into there. Okay, and the way I'm going to do it is with this pipette. This pipette actually has little grooves on it. And the good thing about it is that since it has those grooves, there's a line that says 1 milliliter, so I can easily just go straight to that line and then put it inside. Okay, so just give me a second to do that. Okay, so instead of 5 milliliters, I just did 10. So for the volume, they're all going to be 10 milliliters. This one will be 10 milliliters. Okay, so I have milliliters all the way down. Now I need the volume of the container with the liquid. So that's what this part is, the container and the liquid. So I'll do each of them individually, write down the number, and again, you only have to pick one. So let's see. 13.9816 grams. Okay. Close it, zero it again. Okay, this one. 16.706. 16.7060 grams. And the last one. Okay, and here we go for the last one. I got 11.3199 grams. And there we go. There goes all three, and that's as much information as you're going to need to solve for the density for this one.